Hello, I'm Arnie Denai with Interstate-McBee. I come to you from the site of our new world headquarters in Oakwood Village, Ohio, with an important announcement of the new chapter in our company's journey. Love to share the journey with you. Come with me. The distribution center behind me has been designed and built with you, the customer, in mind each and every step of the way. State-of-the-art amenities, cutting-edge technologies, and expanded warehouse space to serve you efficiently with just under 5 acres under roof. We have already begun the transition from our Cleveland facility, and we will begin relocating inventory and personnel in the coming days. While we are working diligently to facilitate this move in a way that ensures minimal disruption to you, our customer, you may experience delays over the course of the next month. Please rest assured your satisfaction remains our top priority. We thank you for your understanding and support as we embrace this exciting development and look forward to providing you with the enhanced level of service in the near future.